imagine yourself, guys, you come across a question like this in a test. So this one, guys, it's an empirical formula, by the way. Do you see? All these things, it's an empirical formula, and don't get confused. It's easy. Yeah, do not panic, by the way. This thing is straightforward. Let me just take the information that they gave me. So define the term empirical formula. I'll drop the definition there. Determine the empirical formula of this compound. So here, this is the compound that they gave you there. So there you write this thing, which is this, is that one, which is here, it's SO. Here they give you in percentage there, but those percentage, guys, you write them in what? In grams there. Meaning this thing, it's 29,11 grams. This one, it's 40,51 grams. Then this one, it's 30,38 grams there. You see? Yeah. So everything, guys, it is in grams there. What you will do there, guys, you should convert those grams into moles there by dividing by a molar mass there. Do you see? So let's go to our periodic table, by the way. So this one is our periodic table. If we can check the molar mass of oxygen there, it's 16 there. You'll divide with that molar mass. Then the molar mass of sulfur, where is it? Sulfur there, it's 32 there. Of sulfur, it's 32. Then for a sodium, it's 23. Do you see? Yeah. So now let's just use our calculator there. Meaning this thing there, it's 28,11 divided by what? This is what I get, guys, there. Round that answer in 3 decimal place, 6 and 6 there, which is here, it's 6. Yeah. Round this number in 3 decimal place. Then you can calculate as well as this one, 40 divided by 51 divided by 32. As well as this one, round it off in 3 decimal place, which is 1,26,7. Yeah. So now let's do that one there. 30 divided by 38 divided by 16. Yeah. Meaning this is what I get there. In 3 decimal place will become 1,899. Everything, guys, now it is in what? In moles there. In moles. This one, it is in moles there. So when everything, guys, has become moles, what you will do, you will divide with the smallest number there. A smallest number, guys, between these two is this one, because here we got 1,266, or is this one? This one, it's 1,266. This one, it's 1,267. Meaning this one is the one that I can divide with it. I can divide with that number. I will divide with that number. All ratios there. So here, when I divide with that number, obvious will give me 1 there. What about this one there? From here, I'll just use my calculator, which is 1,267 divided by 1,266. This is what I get there. Round that number into a whole number. And now what about this one, which is 1, this divided by 1,266. Yeah. So when I round off this thing into a whole number, it will become as 2 there. So now I can conclude now, therefore, the empirical formula is, I will take everything the way it is, which is NaSO2. No need for you guys to write a subscript, which is 1. No need for you to write this. No need for you to write those subscript. Just leave your answer like this thing. Do you see? Yeah. So straightforward there. Then let me show you this one there as our last question. Determine the percentage composition of water in hydrated copper sulfate. So here they need the percentage composition. Do you still remember from these notes whereby I told you that a percentage composition, we will use it to identify what a percentage of an element in a compound there. So the element that we are focusing now, it is the compound of water, by the way. We will use that compound of water to identify its percentage in this compound. Do you see? Yeah. So a percentage yield, we use it to identify a percentage of a compound in the reaction. So let's apply this thing, meaning this thing that will become like this. This is the equation which is called composition, the composition, and here I'll say mass of element divided by what? A molar mass of compound multiplied by 100. For you guys to apply this thing then, a key thing that you should understand about this question is that we should find the molar mass of water in this compound. And then in that compound we are told that we got 5 number of water, meaning that I can get a molar mass of 5 number of water. Meaning that 5 there, it will be outside like this. Do you see? Then inside there, I'll go use my periodic table to identify the mass of this thing, which is this thing. It's 2 and 1. Say plus 16 there. Then press that thing there on your calculator. It's 5 open, 2, 1. Say plus 16 there. This is what I get there, which is this thing. It's mass, it's grams per mole. There, it's grams per mole. Yeah. So now what I can also get, guys, I should also get a molar mass of a compound there, which is that I should get a molar mass of that compound CSO4 multiplied by this there. So I will do something like this. I will take my periodic table. So, which is this thing? A copper there is this one there, which is 5 plus. Then a sulfur, it's 32. Then a oxygen there, we got 4 of oxygen, which is 16. Then I'll say plus. All the mass of this thing that I already calculated, it's 19 there. I can write that 19, or I can even write it like that, which is 5,2 plus 16. Yeah, plus. So it means that the molar mass of this compound, I'll press it on a calculator like this. 60,5 plus 32 plus 4 plus 5 open 2 1 plus 16, which is this thing that will give me this number, grams per mole. Yeah, grams per mole. So now, guys, I know the mass of the element, which is element of water. Actually, this thing, guys, is not an element, by the way. It's a compound. But here is the one that will use it, that mass, and we'll divide it with the molar mass of a compound. All the time, guys, when we are calculating a percentage, our denominator should be bigger than our numerator. Meaning now, I will substitute to this equation. I'll say the percentage of water will become as there, which is 90 divided by this multiplied by 100. All the time, guys, when you calculate a percentage, denominator should be bigger than what? A numerator. Meaning now we've got this percentage of water there in that compound. Let's say here this divided by what? This one. Multiply by 100. This is what you will get, by the way, which is this one. It's what? It's 36,51 percentage. Do you see? Yeah. I hope, guys, you did understood this question. So, yeah. All the best, by the way.